Is your solar power station currently using traditional string inverter? Have you considered upgrading to better performance module-level microinverter, but were deterred by its high price? AdvanSol has newly launched its V2.5 module-level control solution, offering the most cost-efficient way to upgrade your string inverters to module-level control. Same with microinverters. The V2.5 module-level control solution provides module-level rapid shutdown, module-level data monitoring, and module-level power generation optimization functions. And it is suitable for various scales of solar systems and compatible with most of third-party string inverters. Our V2.5 module-level control solution consists of module-level microcontroller, data controller, and a cloud smart platform. Just simply installing the microcontroller to each solar panel and matching the required number of data controllers according to the system size, you can easily upgrade the conventional string inverter system. AdvanSol's microcontroller product matrix is divided into 3 series, R, MR, and O, which can meet users' different functional requirements. The R series features module-level rapid shutdown function, which can switch the module output to safety mode within 30 seconds, automatically disconnect the output of each module, and cut off the DC high voltage and the DC arc, ensuring the safety of personnel and property. The product fulfills solar system DC safety standards of US NEC 690.12 to 2014, 2017, and 2020. And is UL 1741 certified, providing an effective solution for the fire safety of solar systems. The MR series, in addition to the rapid shutdown function, also features module-level data monitoring, allowing real-time monitoring of parameters such as voltage, current, power, and temperature of each solar module. These parameters are presented on the AdvanSol Cloud Smart platform and enable data statistics, intelligent analysis, and intelligent O&M for solar systems, thus significantly reducing the costs of system O&M by more than 50%. The O series features module-level power generation optimization function. By using the module-level MPPT to maximize the power generation of each solar module, the power generation of the whole system can be increased by more than 10% throughout its life cycle. Meanwhile, it allows flexible design of the solar system layout to fully use of roof area, so that the installed capacity can increase by over 30%. Besides the microcontroller, AdvanSol's V2.5 solution also requires the data controller. Install the data controller between the microcontroller array and the inverter to control the operation of the microcontrollers and data communication. Each data controller can control up to 100 microcontrollers or 4 strings. AdvanSol's V2.5 solution adopts PLC for efficient communication without additional wiring and relay equipment, avoiding the instability of wireless communication and ensuring the system operate efficiently and stably at all time. AdvanSol's V2.5 solution is suitable for both building new solar systems and retrofitting existing systems. The solution offers a comprehensive product matrix. Users can choose different products based on their needs. It is compatible with various brands of string inverters and suitable for all scales of solar systems, offering a cost-effective solution for module-level control. AdvanSol, the expert of module-level control for solar system. For more information, please visit our website.